Oral presentation, summary and values, Robert Dodson. Worldview and values, part 1. James W. Sir, worldview. A worldview is a commitment, a fundamental orientation of the heart that can be expressed as a story or in a set of presuppositions, assumptions which may be true, practically true, or entirely false, that we hold, consciously or subconsciously, consistently or inconsistently, about the basic constitutions of reality, and provides the foundation on which we live and move and have our being. Theism worldview is a worldview based on Christian or Judaism views. Belief in one God, most moral of all the worldviews. My worldviews and values. I am going to have a Christian's worldview due to being a Christian, and I am going to find all of my truths from the Bible. My values will line up with what is in the Bible. Example, I will not divorce unless there was an instance of physical abuse or an incident of infidelity. Life experience, family and friends, part 2. Family values. I will keep appropriate boundaries with family members. I will live a debt-free lifestyle. I will have Christian values. I will develop great relationship practices. Friends values. Develop appropriate boundaries with friends. Correct influence for impartial people that will be in my family. That means I'll need to have people in my friends that are around my family be the correct influence on them. I will also have Christian values. I'll probably have mostly friends that have the same Christian values and good morals. Life experience, work and organization, part 3. Work and organization. Stand-up company. I will only work for a stand-up company, not a company that's going to cause me to do something that could negate my morals or my integrity. So I will be a high moral character while I'm at work, and integrity will need to be shown throughout the leadership of the company, or I won't work for that company. Life experience, the SNU Professional Studies Program, part 4. Influential people throughout my college experience: Richard Drummond, Michael Burton, Selena Speck. Richard Drummond has been one of my longtime co-workers who has been one of the biggest cheerleaders to me finish college. He also introduced me to Dave Ramsey, which helped me set up values to get my finances back on track. He's encouraged me to pursue my goals. Michael Burton, best friends. Michael and I have been friends since we were 7 months old, when we first met in the church nursery. We have been through the long haul together, going to school, getting married, all the stuff that comes when you have a lifetime friend. We have tackled the tough issues in life together as well. Selena Speck is the love of my life. She has been my biggest encourager to finish my degree, even when I do an assignment and got a 0 on it for all the hard work I put in on the assignment. We have had a chance to discuss and develop values we want to have for our future family. She has given me the motivation to finish my degree and help better our lives together and future children. Future, part 5. My goals over the next couple of months is to graduate from college, increase my current salary, get engaged to Selena, start planning a wedding, save up to pay the wedding in cash, and start paying on my student loans. Next year's goals is to get married to Selena, go on my honeymoon, pick back up on my intensity on the Dave Ramsey's Baby Step 2, find a cheap rental place, start making plans to eventually grow my family. Next 5-year goals: getting out of debt years, I'm going to finish up baby steps 2 and 3 of the Dave Ramsey's program. Start Dave Ramsey's program steps 4, 5, and 6. Grow my family by 1 or 2 members. Next 10-year goals. No payment years. Discuss debt-free solutions with children about big investment items early, such as first cars and how college will be paid for debt-free. Plan for retirement. Buy our first home. The ability to give the organizations and causes that I want money. Traveling the world because I will have no payments.